Hello friends, in today's video we are trying to talk about some of the most important question and answer session with concern to ASRB NET for the domain subject of food technology. आज हम food technology के specifically 10 number of questions यहाँ पे लेंगे, ठीक है? So let's start with the first question, and the question is the basic one. Which factor is the most critical for microbial growth in food spoilage? So when we say the first question, specifically it is targeted to the food spoilage as it is the most critical factor. So definite the answer could be the water activity. It should not be pH, color or packaging. Water activity answer रहेगा. Generally it is in the range of 0 to 1. 0.7 could be the probable range for the mold growth, 0.8, 0.9 for the bacteria. Like this way, water activity is the most probable answer, most important answer as the critical factor. Definitely. Okay, so the answer is the water activity. It could be represented as AW. Next question, food fortification primarily aims to what? When we say the word fortification, so keep into mind, it is plus F. It is generally followed by the symbol of plus F, that is fortification. And when we say the word, it is fortification one, food fortification. Generally it is added with the help of vitamins और mineral, जिसे हम fortification कहा जाता है. Simple take example, to improve the nutritional value in our daily diet. तो इसी के तहत primarily aims of fortification to improve the nutritional value, ये रहेगा इसमें, ठीक है? Fine, okay. Next, third one. Which Indian institution is the pioneer in food technology research? So basically we are trying to talk about the technology research for the food domain. Definitely ISRO is not there. It is generally for the space, AIMS for medical, DRDO for defense. So the answer could be the NIFTIM, National Institute of Food Technology and Entrepreneurship Management. That is the best important answer for the same. Okay, so definite answer is the institute which talking about the research going pioneer is the NIFTIM. Let's move to the fourth question. Okay, botulism is caused by, so botulism a type of disease, it is caused by salmonella. जहां पे fever होता है, बुखार आती है, that is the salmonella typhus. Definitely ये नहीं रहेगा. Clostridium botulinum is a type of disease which is there for the botulism. When we say E. coli is specifically with the help of water caused diseases. ये भी नहीं. Listeria specifically जो हमारे frozen products है वहां पे रहेगा. But botulism is definitely Clostridium botulinum. ये आप ध्यान में रखिएगा. Okay, fine. The next one, thermosonification. So the two terms combined, they are thermo and sonification. It combines heat and ultrasound. Thermosonification means specifically sonification is talking about the ultrasound, cold pressure, radiation, irradiation could be there, freezing and dehydration, dehydrofreezing. So definite answer could be the first one, heat and ultrasound is the specific answer when we're talking about the thermosonification. ठीक है, चलिए next one. MAP, that is modified atmosphere packaging, extends the shelf life of increasing the temperature. It is by the temperature, adding preservative, replacing oxygen with nitrogen and reducing packaging size. यहाँ पे हम specifically बात कर रहे हैं MAP, that is modified atmospheric packaging. So we modify the packaging. यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, reducing the level of O2 with one of the inert gas or the nitrogen or CO2. So definite answer could be the third one for the same. ठीक है, replacing oxygen with the nitrogen. Next one, what is the key enzyme which could be used in the clarification of fruit juices? So definitely when we say the clarification of fruit juices, among the four, amylase. Generally amylase is useful in different set of bakery industry. Okay, यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिएगा. Protease is definite for the clarification of fruit juices. Lipase again one of the critical enzyme, and the pectinase one. Okay, so the probable answer is, here is some of the pectin. Okay, sorry, answer is the pectinase, not the protease. Protease is the protein based one, so definite answer is the pectinase. Then, which of the following is the anti-nutritional factor present in the pulses? So these are the four one, out of which when we say gluten, so specifically it is nothing but the protein which is there in our atta, flour, wheat. Lactose specifically in milk, okay. The pigment, that is the carotenoids, and tannin. So answer could be the tannin one, okay. Next one, which process is used to improve the digestibility and texture of rice? अब राइस में हम क्या करते हैं? Are we doing roasting? No, definite not. Fermentation? बिल्कुल नहीं. Blanching or parboiling? So partial boiling so that it is digestible. उसका पचन या digestion के लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. From this concern, answer could be the partial boiling or the parboiling is the best answer, जहाँ पे हम राइस का टेक्सचर अच्छी तरीके से डेवलप कर पाते हैं. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, which country is the largest producer of milk in the world? So from 2000 onwards India is the largest producer for the milk, और आज का करंटली प्रोड्यूसर जो 2024-25 का प्रोडक्शन है वो है 239 मेट्रिक मिलियन टन, और इसकी पर कैपिटा अवेलेबिलिटी है आज की कंडीशन में 471 ग्राम पर पर्सन पर डे, एंड जो प्रोडक्शन है वो है नियर अबाउट 239 million metric ton for the milk, as India is the producer, global producer for the same. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Be tuned with us for the second session or the Q&A session. So that's it for today's session. Thank you all of you. Okay.